Plant anatomy is the scientific study of the internal structures, tissues, and microscopic cell types that make up a plant body. While plant morphology deals with the external, physical form, anatomy dives below the surface to look at how cells organize into functional networks. Vascular plants are structured into two primary organ systems, the underground root system and the above-ground shoot system. The three primary tissue systems every plant organ, whether a leaf, stem, or root, is composed of three major tissue systems. Dermal tissue, the outer protective layer, primarily the epidermis, that shields the plant. Prevents water loss via a waxy cuticle and regulates gas exchange through specialized pores called stoma. Vascular tissue, the internal transport network. It consists of xylem, which pulls water and minerals upward from the roots using transpiration, and phloem, which distributes sugars generated during photosynthesis throughout the plant. Ground tissue, the foundational filler tissue responsible for photosynthesis, food storage, and structural support. It is comprised of three cell types: parenchyma, living storage, photosynthetic cells; parenchyma, flexible support cells; and sclerenchyma, rigid, wood-like strengthening cells. Anatomical structure of main organs. Leaves, the food producers. Leaves are highly specialized for light absorption and gas exchange. Epidermis, outer protective layer featuring guard cells that flex open and closed to create stomatopores for taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Mesophyll, the interior ground tissue packed with chloroplasts for photosynthesis. It is divided into the tightly packed palisade layer, captures sunlight, and the loose spongy layer allows air to circulate. Veins, vascular bundles embedded in the mesophyll that supply water and carry away manufactured sugars. Stems, the support network. Stems connect the roots to the leaves, holding the plant upright and acting as a highway for fluids. Nodes and internodes. Nodes are the active structural points where leaves, buds, and flowers branch out. Internodes are the blank spaces of stem stretching between those nodes. Vascular arrangements. Inside the stem, vascular tissue is arranged in bundles. In monocots, like grasses, these bundles are scattered randomly. In dicots, like trees and shrubs, they form an orderly ring that can expand outwards to form wood and bark over time. Roots, the anchor and absorber roots, hide below ground to lock the plant into the soil and drink up moisture. Root cap, a hardened shield protecting the delicate growing tip as it pushes through abrasive dirt. Root hairs, microscopic, single-cell extensions of the root epidermis that massively increase surface area to absorb water. Casparian strip, a waxy waterproof